To update a config file for your FlexSpeak ADA talking bus system, you will need a micro SD card and adapter, which will be included in your kit, and the FlexSpeak programming utility. You can find the programming utility on the Intermotive website. At the top of the page, go to Support, then Tech Support, then Downloads. Scroll down to the FlexSpeak ADA talking bus link, which will bring you to the programming utility. Follow the instructions to download the correct version for your computer. Step 1. Insert the micro SD card into the adapter. Then insert the adapter into a USB or micro USB port on your computer. Step 2. Navigate to the USB drive and double-click on the config folder to confirm that the desired config file is present so it can be updated or replaced. Step 3. If a new config file has already been created, please skip to Step 8. Step 4. Open the FlexSpeak programming utility. At the top left, click on the Create Configuration tab, then select Talking Bus VAM403. Next, click Open Folder and navigate to the Playlist folder on your micro SD card, then click Open. This will allow you to listen to the audio tracks while making configuration changes to ensure a correct track is selected. Next, click the Create Configuration button. Step 5. You can either create a new route list or load an existing route list. To create a new route list, type in the route names in the box on the right-hand side and save the list. To load an existing route list, click on the Load Route List button. For either option, please ensure the special route is always listed last. Press the Next button to proceed. Step 6. At the top left, click on File, then Load Configuration. Navigate to the config file located on the micro SD card. Step 7. Modify parameters as necessary by clicking on the tabs and editing the content. For example, under the Stop tabs, changing the track. Step 8. When finished making changes, go to File, Save Configuration. Name the new config file and save on the micro SD card in the config folder. Delete the previous file to ensure there is only one file in the config folder.